Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Jeep Gladiator Sport. Almost every video I see on the Gladiator is the high-air trims. We had a Rubicon in. I'm like, I don't even think I've driven a non-Gladiator or non-Rubicon Gladiator. So I said, why not take it for a spin? These things are so cool. I mean, put a pickup bed on a Wrangler, you got a Gladiator. Go around to the other side for the window sticker. Powered by a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6. Firecracker red, love Jeep's colors. 44,285. Made it to the 8-speed auto. Firecracker red. Man, Jeep is awesome. Mopar in general are great with their color names. What's really surprising to me is how quiet it is in here. It's not overly loud. And the ride's actually really good. I could see this being a daily driver. Absolutely. Whereas the Rubicon, that sometimes gets borderline uncomfortable. But this one actually is very comfortable. And it's not nearly as loud because of the compound of these tires. They're not the off-road tire. They're just normal street tires. So I can't complain, man. Well, it looks like we're going to be sitting here for a little bit. All your window switches are in the middle. That's so there's less wiring to the doors, so when you take them off, there's less wires there. You know, because so many people are like, well, if the door's off, you don't need to lower the window. No, it's more for wiring purposes, so you don't have to worry about disconnecting another wire. Honestly though, seating position, visibility, all awesome. I mean, I can see perfectly well out of this, even with that stupid window sticker that sits right on the passenger window. I can see and I'm comfortable. That's a big thing for me. I don't like driving vehicles that I'm not comfortable in. I don't think anybody else would either. See, there's our Rubicon. Man, I do love these things. I haven't driven one of these since I've driven the Bronco, and I don't know, man. They're both awesome. I would probably go with the Bronco just because I like the looks a little bit more, and it's more special in this current moment. but I totally see the appeal of these things. Could have made that. Looks like a ZL1 convertible that's completely hidden by the Rogue. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.